Hey friends, and welcome to 140 Parkside Drive in Anderson, South Carolina. Y'all, this home sits on the Brookstone Meadows golf course. And you see these double-decker porches? Yeah, it's got that in the back too. So come on in, let me take you for a tour. First thing I want to show you in this gorgeous home is the Southern style rocking chair porch. Y'all, oh my word. You don't get this every day. You don't get this every day. And a gorgeous neighborhood to boot. All right, let's go inside. 140 Parkside Drive in Anderson, South Carolina is the epitome of Southern living. So when you enter the home, you have this beautiful 2-story foyer. This is going to be followed by 3 beds, 3.5 baths, and an oversized bonus room that you can use for crafting, for a bedroom, for anything under the sun. Can't wait for you guys to see it. This home has a beautiful formal dining room. This particular table looks to seat 8. I bet you could fit a 12-seater table in here. You don't find this every day. Across the foyer, you have incredibly beautiful French doors with a transom. I told you this was the epitome of Southern living. In this room, you could have a very large office space. You could also use it as a guest room if you had guests come and stay. You could use it as a formal living room. It's up to you. So off of the office space, we have a full bath. So you do have a shower in this full bathroom, and that then leads to a very spacious, look at all these French doors, y'all. This is a gorgeous, bright, and airy living room that looks out onto the Brookstone Meadows golf course. I want to show you one of my favorite things about this living room. Y'all, look at this custom tile work surrounding the fireplace. It wasn't always that way. The owners have upgraded. It is so beautiful. And then you have built-ins surrounding the fireplace. Y'all, this house is gorgeous, gorgeous. And I was gonna wait until later, but I just have to show you now. All right, out back. Y'all come with me, come with me. You have another Southern style porch, and the breeze is so nice. Every time I've been back here, wonderful breeze. You've got another porch right above you, double decker. Check out that fountain. I don't know if you can hear it, but it is the most relaxing sound. And just beyond that is the Brookstone Meadows golf course. So you can watch folks play golf all day long. So as you leave the family room area, and remember these gorgeous double-decker porches, front and back of the home, you walk into a very large breakfast area. And this is a built-in island. So you've got storage underneath and seating for at least 6, if not more, folks in the breakfast area. Now remember, this home also had a formal dining room. So think about holidays and entertaining. I mean, all kinds of space. And you can put them out on those double-decker porches too. All right, from there, we go into a very large kitchen. Very large kitchen. You can see you've got a wall oven. And if you ever wanted to, you know, just a thought, you could have double ovens put in. That's what I would do if it were me. You've got a cooktop over here. So imagine this home does have gas. So imagine if you wanted to put a gas cooktop in there. That could be amazing. You've got a coffee bar area, an ultra modern fridge that you can even watch television on. This is a luxury that I am not used to. Oh, it's alive. All right. You've got multiple garage areas to hide those countertop appliances that you never know where to put, and a great sink area. I would make it a farmhouse sink. You do you. All right, guys, we will continue. Remember this formal dining room? Absolutely gorgeous. I can't imagine the gatherings you could host in this home. All right, off of that, we walk down a very short hallway where you can go to the 2-car garage, or you can go to a dedicated laundry room. And next, we will go upstairs. All right, there are 3 bedrooms that we can choose to go into now that we're upstairs. I'm gonna take you to the guest rooms first because I wanna save the wow factor of the primary bed for a little later. All right, so we have a very spacious guest bedroom that has been recently painted within the last week, so that's exciting for you. And it has a door to go out and enjoy that top front balcony. Off this room, you have a choice. You can go to the Jack and Jill restroom, which is great to have between 2 bedrooms, or you can go to the very large bonus room that we talked about. So for now, we're gonna cross through this Jack and Jill bathroom. Let's just see it as we cross. And we're gonna head to another guest bedroom. All right, in this bedroom, y'all, this bedroom's precious. You have another door that leads out to, one's the door, one's a window. Here's the door that leads out to the double balcony. Now this faces the back, so you're gonna get to see those golf course views out of that door. But y'all, this is a nice sized bedroom and tons of light in here. Okay, now we're in that oversized bonus room we talked about, and y'all, look at all this lighting in here. So apparently the former owner really loved crafting in this room, and she had extra lighting installed, so it's very bright in here. They have it as a guest room. You know, we can't count these as closets, but this is floored attic space on both sides, so tons of storage. And check it out, a half bath. So your guest could potentially stay in this room and, you know, keep things private. All right, you also have a door with steps leading to the garage so that if you do have a guest that maybe does really need to keep things private, they can enter on their own without coming through the actual home. Next up is the primary bedroom. Y'all are not gonna believe this huge primary bedroom. All right, y'all, I'm pretty sure that's bigger than a king because it seems bigger than my bed at home. This is a huge bed and it seems small in this room. All right, so this is a huge primary bedroom. Again, a door to go outside to one of the double-decker porches. So you can, this is on the back side of the home where it's nice and quiet and you can watch the golfers if you want to go out there and relax. And then you walk into your own office. A nice quiet office, but look how bright it is. Right off the bedroom. Is that not amazing? And then as part of the suite, we have a large bathroom with a tile shower and, of course, double sinks like everybody loves these days. A water closet. We don't have to go in there. All right, but y'all, this is the wow factor that I want you to see. All right, inside this walk-in closet, watch this. Here's one side of the walk-in closet, but let's continue. Let's continue on. Y'all, it goes, what? This is like a New York City apartment in here. I mean, this closet is unbelievable. Unbelievable. And then, as if that's not crazy enough, you can come off the closet to another beautiful porch. This house has so much wow. Let's go see some more wow. We're back in the primary bedroom where we have a door that goes out to one of the most peaceful experiences that I think you'll find in Anderson, South Carolina. Y'all, this is amazing. All right, I'm going to take you down to the end over here where I want you to see the golf course. And I don't know if you can hear that fountain, but y'all, it is so peaceful. All right, friends, I hope you have enjoyed touring 140 Parkside Drive in Anderson, South Carolina. I am sitting on one of the back porches overlooking Brookstone Meadows golf course, and I'm not gonna lie, I need to get up and go take the golf cart to shoot another video to show you the country club, but I really just want to sit here all day. This is so incredibly peaceful. If you are looking for a retreat, I mean a sanctuary in Anderson, South Carolina, 140 Parkside Drive could very well be it. So if you'd like to take a tour in person, then give me a call. Susan Nunamaker, Posh Properties Realty Group, 864-722-2065.